What's up guys? I got an interesting video for you today. So as you know, Isaac and I, we like to do different types of activities together, but today we are going to test his creativity and crafting skills, as well as mine. So what we're going to do is I will be turning some of my recycled trash, whatever, into a work of art. Afterwards, I will take the finished work to Isaac, give him the same recycled material that I used, and have him duplicate it. And we will upload that as a separate video. Alright, so let's get started. First, I did find some blank cardboard paper and I decided to print some of the characters and blocks and cloud and whatnot, and we're gonna definitely use these as well to get something going. Okay, so I did manage to salvage a bunch of these, and I think I will stick to this size for our canvas and how big our little display will be. Alright, so first let's start cutting some of our shapes out, and then we can decide what we're gonna do afterwards. So these guys are going to be a little tricky because I want to keep the pixelated look, and in order to do that I'm going to have to cut it in a particular way. Alright, so as soon as I can get this out, and yeah, so see, that's what I mean. Alright, so I think I want something like this, but the problem is it doesn't quite pop the way I want it to. So in order to do that, I think I'm gonna use these. Some cork tiles, I guess they meant for like holding glass or something, I don't know, but I think they make a good material for our little characters. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna glue these down to this and cut them all over again. Alright, now's the time to let these guys dry. And I think I'm gonna take another one of these pieces that I cut before, and I'm gonna use it to create the sides. For the sides, I'm thinking I'm just gonna cut little strips and put them together and make it like a little frame. Alright, so now we have our pieces cut up again, but this time they look more 3D because they have a back. And for Mario, I double layered it, so it's a little bit thicker than the other ones, but I did it because I'm gonna put the mushroom on top of the bush like that, and I'm gonna put Mario in the background, but I wanted it to come up as much as the mushroom. Since mushroom already has the bush behind it, I didn't want it to pop more than Mario.
1 hour later.
Alright, so let's see what we have so far. We got our canvas, we got our background, we got our bush with Mr. Mushroom, and so we're gonna put that over here, and we got Mario over here, and the other pieces are drawing. We also got our sides, so these are gonna go, I guess, like that, maybe, like that. There we go. And for the side, I decided to do it this way. It's not the best looking way, but it's still good, I think. We'll see. So there it goes. So I'm just gonna have to wait for these pieces to dry, including the final piece, which is Mr. Mario. And he's gonna go, I think, so if he jumps and hits this and then lands on, okay, so yeah, it's gonna be somewhere there. Come on. All right, let's try this again. So this is what we have, and considering it's all recycled material, I say it's pretty good. Of course, there are ways we can still improve it by especially the edges, but still not bad.